Okay guys, this is a basic tutorial on how to make a YouTube background, like customize your YouTube channel just like this one, which I made yesterday. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go on to your web browser and print screen your YouTube page. Then you're gonna want to open up Microsoft Paint, and you're gonna paste it, Control and V. And then this gives this in here. And select the pencil tool. Then, well, you don't need that yet, but I'll come back to that later. Then you're gonna go on File, New, and then you're gonna make it 1000 pixels by 2500 pixels. And then you can save that as a preset. I'm gonna save it as YouTube background. Okay, then okay, and then this thing will come up now. So then what you're going to want to do is, the paint is actually up there for a reason, it's not there for no reason. You're going to want to select all this, and I'm just going to give it a black background, so I'm going to use the paint fill, and then just fill it in black. You can use a gradient tool if you want, but I don't mind, this is just easier, and yeah. And then you're going to make a new layer. And then this is to get the bar along the top like this. So what you're going to want to do, that's why we got paint. So what you're going to want to do is, if you see down in the bottom right corner, there's two numbers. And they basically show what position you're on there. And if you look at the right number on the right, it says I'm at 181 pixels, and that's where this starts. So I'm going to go into Adobe, and I'm going to go on View, New Guide, Horizontal, 181 pixels, and you've got to remember to type in pixels, because otherwise it won't work. And then if you can see, this blue bar appears, and then you're going to want to go in View, Block Guide, and you're going to go back into Paint, and then you can look at the bottom of this, and that'll be 213, so you want to go back into Photoshop, View, New Guide, Horizontal, 213 pixels. Okay, and then this gives you this bar effect sort of thing along the top, which you basically just want to use the select tool and making sure you're on layer 2 now, and just go along this, and I'm just going to use red because it's clear. I'm just going to use the bucket fill tool to fill that in, and that gives you this bar effect along the top right here. And you can insert your own, oh, I've got my voice right there. You can insert your own text and just write whatever you want. I'm just going to write Chris. Help this in a good colour. I'm going to write Chris. Help I could spell, and then just going to move this down. I'm just going to put another text thing over here if I can. I'll just do space. Sub to me, and that's basically the start of your YouTube background with the bar along the top and the black colour. And then you just want to go and view. Go and make sure you're on layer 1, that would help. View, clear guides, and then now get rid of the blue bar. If you want to insert images, I'm just going to get them off the internet because I can't bother. Just going to Google, whatever you do, and I'm just going to search COD for something like a man, because I found this good image on here which gives you a black background. It's quite a good thing because it's easy to use the magic wand to the round and everything. So I'm going to wait for this to load because it takes ages on my computer because it's gay. Come on! And basically copy image, go into Photoshop, and then make a new layer, and then Control and V to paste it. And yeah, as you can see, it's just sort of a black thing like that, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to move this down to the bottom of my page, and that's basically a basic YouTube background. If you just want to save that, then save as, I'm just going to call this tutorial BG and I'm going to save it as a JPEG because I find that's the best quality images. And to make it a YouTube background, you've got to make sure that the file size doesn't go over 256k, otherwise you're going to have to save it again. So I'm just going to do quality 9 high and save it, and then that's basically it done. You should know how to save the YouTube to upload your YouTube background. It's pretty basic stuff, and if you don't know how to, you're a retard. So yeah, don't go hard on me because this is my first tutorial ever, my first attempt at it. So yeah, thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe, bye.